wrapping up a nice, long, relaxing weekend. Tomorrow's back at it. But we did have a lot of fun this weekend, and we're going to take you along. A lot of variety. Did a lot. I think the only thing we didn't check off the to-do list was the beach. But we did farmer's market. I went for a really nice long bike ride. Exhausting bike ride, but I needed it. And nice kayak trip with some great friends. Hit some local microbreweries and took some doggy pictures. And the only thing we haven't done yet, but is still on deck, is grilling. We're gonna grill some lamb steaks tonight to wrap up the nice long weekend. So yeah, it was great. I expected crowds everywhere. It was actually a nice quiet weekend, so I got to enjoy myself. Didn't have a lot of tourists around that we ran into. I'm sure they were here. So yeah, it was great. I hope everyone else enjoyed their holiday as well. Hopefully you took a moment to thank those that made the ultimate sacrifice, because that's really what this holiday is all about, even though it seems to have turned into barbecues and beach drinking. But yeah, so yeah, hope everyone had an incredible Memorial Day. Hope everyone's weather was as good as ours. Ours was nice and moderate, not too hot. So yeah, it was great. And tomorrow back to the 9 to 5 for 3 days, and then yeah, some more time off, some more kayaking and adventuring, and we'll take you along. Thanks for watching. Have fun with this week's video. Alright, so we're heading down the bike trail. Heading home. Got nice little treats in my bag. Some Chicago style kettle corn from the farmer's market, and my water, an apple, some oranges. We're just going to take our time, because like I said, it's the first longest ride of the year. Going to be fun. Ooh. So I'm trying not to call, cheat, and get a ride. Trying to make it all the way. But I spent way too much time at the little nature trail in Muskegon, North Muskegon. The wind is coming at me quite strongly. I've got way more weight on my back than usual. And it's my first longish ride. Alright, so I made it to the credit union. I just don't feel like riding on roads right now. So there's only about a quarter mile of bike trail left. Oops, I need to shut off my activity. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so yeah, don't want to ride on the roads. There's only about a quarter mile left of the bike trail, and this is just an easy place for Tom to pick me up. I know he knows where it is because I think he still uses this credit union. I'm not sure. We haven't been here in a long time, but he knows where it's at. And now it's time for water, even though it's going to be it's going to be a trick for me to hold my bladder till I get home, but I can do this. So, oh, there he is already. I was very thirsty and needed a break, so for the first time since I've been back, I stopped at I think it's called the Half Moon Saloon. It's actually not that bad. I thought it was going to be creepier inside. There were some creepers, but yeah, had a couple root beers and some water and hit the bathroom, and then yeah, here was nonstop to here, other than some video of some flowers and all that good stuff. So there's my ride here to take me the rest of the way home. And then Saturday morning we get to head out on an incredible kayak adventure with some great friends that we don't get to see very often. Looking forward to showing you all the critters we ran across.
Every time I see your face, I know I've come to the right place. And every time I see you smile, I can feel it for a long while. And I'm so excited to wake up, see your face with no makeup, see what trouble we can shake up. Everything is better with you.
Pretty.
From the dawn till the day is done, we will do the best we can do. But I know best is yet to come. We have come so far, so fast, but we know we're gonna make it, know we're gonna make it last. There is no one above you. Everything I know of you makes it easier to love you. So I'll say it again. Everything is better with you. From the
Awesome morning out kayaking with friends. So many herons out today, it's crazy. I just caught another one on video eating a fish. Hopefully it's in focus. Hard to shoot video while in a kayak, but dang it, I'm doing it anyway. So cool. Perfect morning for it. Anyway, I need to catch up. We're heading out for a few drinks at Fetch. He's so cool. Yeah. Great morning. He just did a little flyby. But I need to let him go because they're almost to the bridge. Got to get caught up with them and head out for a beer. Monday was meant to be another kayaking day because we had such a great trip on Sunday. But I kind of struggled with motivation. Gray skies in the morning, even though the weather was great. But now it's beautiful. Perfect for kayaking. It was a little windy earlier too, which all of that is just an excuse for me to chill on my last day off, get caught up on laundry and dishes. We did take the dogs to a great place for some photos, so we'll see how Tom's video turned out of me shooting the pups. And that's it. That's probably going to be a wrap for the weekend. Again, I hope everyone had an incredible Memorial Day. Hopefully you had lots of times with friends and family, a moment here or there. Hopefully also to remember those who this day is all about. Those that gave the ultimate sacrifice, and the families that also sacrificed by losing those people. So anyways, have an incredible week, and looks like summer is here to stay. So hopefully everyone will get out and enjoy wherever they live and the beauty that surrounds them, because everywhere has that beauty. And I just have to remember that sometimes, because every once in a while I tend to get wanderlust and get bored. But this weekend reminded me that Michigan does have so much to offer, and we'll keep on sharing it with you and enjoying it. And every once in a while we might go a little further than Michigan. So enjoy. Thanks much for watching, as always.